Hey there, this is RN with SimpleTix.com. In this video, I'm going to show you some updates we've made to our box office app for the Android version. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is log in, and I'm logging in with someone who has the role of sales and check-in. The first time I've used this app, looks like I have to click the option here to allow some permissions. I will click this back button now, which will take me back to the app, and here we are. Okay. So now we have the ability to do a few new things in SimpleTix I'd love to show you. So I'm logged into someone with the sales and check-in roles. That's the first thing we fixed. That role is now supported. The next thing is I have an order. I made some purchase actually a couple months back, and we're gonna do a couple of things. We're gonna look up this order on the back end, and we're gonna do it by the last 4 digits of the credit card number. So I'm gonna click this event right here. Oopsies. I'll go to admit. I'll click this event. And now I'm gonna do a search. So I will look not by attendee, but I'll look by order over here. And I'm gonna look by the last 4 digits of the credit card number that was used. So it was 1342, and I will click done, and there's my order. So I was able to look by the last 4 digits of the credit card, and it doesn't actually have the credit card number on here, or the last 4 here, but it was a credit card, and this is it right here, so I can click it. And here's my order. If I ever want to resend the tickets, I can always click here to resend the tickets. If I want to text message the tickets, I can also do that too. Let me give you an example of how that would look. And within a split second, the tickets come via text message to the person. We'll take a look at that right now. So the next thing I want to show you is how to scan tickets if you don't already know how to do that. So here are my tickets for this particular order. Let's go ahead and scan the tickets. So click the back button here, and I will go to attendees, and to make sure I'm in the right event, and I am, that's it right there. So click the option here to scan tickets. I'll click allow, and it's using the back camera. Now for a tablet, you might want to use the front, so I'll show you how to change that. Go over to settings, and then go over here to do front camera if you want to use your front-facing camera. And all right, so I will click the option to go back to the attendee list here. Sorry, attendee list is right here. And I'll click this option right here. And here's here's me. And if I want to scan the tickets, the camera's right here, so boom, scan right away. Now let me show you how to do it if you get via text message. So via text message, the QR code will appear on the screen just like this here. So that's it right there. It's red right now, that's just because I just scanned that ticket. So if I want to unadmit them, the easiest way to do that is just to search them like this. And you can unadmit somebody by swiping this way. Now they're unadmitted. So with that, I can now scan the smartphone right here. So on my smartphone, I'm basically going to click the refresh button on the top of the screen right now. Yep, it's white, so that means you can scan it. And boom, you can scan it again. And if you hit refresh here, that means it'll go red. And just like before, if you scan the same ticket twice, you'll get an error message. So I'll scan this right now. So it's already admitted. All right, so this is a little overview of how to use SimpleTix. In this video, I showed you how you can look up orders by the last 4 digits of a credit card. I also showed you that the sales and check-in role can now log in and scan tickets and process new orders. So while we're here, let me show you how to process a new order. So you'll click the option here to sell tickets. You'll choose the event that you'd like. You'll choose what ticket type you'd like. And down here, you'll click the add to cart button. It's important to click that. Then click checkout. Then click checkout. You can put a promo code in if you'd like. Now, if your website uses Square, you'll have a Square option here to take credit cards. If you don't, you can only do cash. So if you click cash, you can put in their details here and click pay. Let me do that now. So I'll type in RN, and I'll type in test, next. So on the back end of your SimpleTix site, you can make these required or optional. And look, I'm not sure if they are for your site. I'll click this option here. And these currently they look like they are required. So again, if you want to make those optional, you can do that on the back end of your SimpleTix site. So I'll put in some quick information here. Zip code 08055. doesn't really matter. I'll click pay, and now the order is complete. So if I like to send the tickets via email, just click there, and now they're sent. And just like before, if you want to send them via text message, just pop in a phone number right there, click done, and click text, and the tickets are now sent via text message. And you can hear that in the background, I just got it. We are supporting some printers. I will do another video on that, but when you click print tickets, it will send to the printer. If you want to mark them admitted, you can also do that too. So basically, if you're selling the tickets and the person's going to walk directly into the venue, you can click admitted, and now those tickets are admitted. So even though they got them via email, they can't really use them. So that email is more of a receipt than an actual e-ticket email for that case. And if I'd like to cancel the order, just simply click here, click yes, and now the order is completely canceled. All right, thanks for watching. Bye now.